Hello guys, this is your guy Senior Attitude. Were you shocked at the upgrade? Did the upgrade shocktalize you? The upgrade did shocktalize me, you know. Yeah, so this is your guy Senior Attitude with honest reviews as usual on CHY Mall, the e-commerce platform that has been the number one. Is it really the number one? Let's look at what is happening. So, CHY Mall carried out a very big upgrade like never before, upgrade like never before, where young girls now became men, became women, young boys became men, it's just like pick you up from VIP 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. I mean, from VIP 6 to VIP 7 to the next upgrade. So this is your guy. This is the account we've been using, the VIP 4 account, but now hey, it's VIP 5. Yeah! Are you excited? Technically excited, technically not excited. Anyway, let's look at it into greater details. Yeah, so if you click on my account on the top right, this is what you'll find. Yeah, this is my account, now it's VIP 5. It used to be VIP 4. If you doubt this, could you go back to my previous videos and you see we have been working on the same account, SA090720. Yeah, so this is it, and this is what has happened. Hey, my consumption limit is 540. It's no longer 240. Yeah, it used to be 240 because it's a VIP 4 account. Now it's 540. That's my consumption limit. Wow. Let's look at this. My amount I need to pay. I need to pay timer $1,126. What? Oh, okay. Yeah, this is how much I need to pay CHY Mall. And what I have paid, zero. Oh my God. I paid zero. Oh, all right. And the advance credit. Whoa. CHY Mall gave me a loan of $1,080. Yeah, in as much as we want to be debt free, CHY Mall has made us to be debt conscious. So we are into debt. Everybody on CHY Mall, most people, a majority on CHY Mall are into debt. Great. So CHY Mall gave me a loan of 1,080. Then I need to pay them 1,126. CHY Mall, how are you confusing me? What? I need to pay you this amount and you gave me just this loan? Doesn't mean there's an interest or what? Okay, guys, let's look at it in greater details. By the way, Merry Christmas. Did you enjoy your Merry Christmas? Did you enjoy your Christmas this year? I know we all were frustrated because our money got stuck in CHY Mall withdrawals, right? When you write to the customer service, hey, what's wrong with my withdrawal? And they tell you, don't worry, the system is upgraded, we'll pay you soon. But now this is the payment. You are in debt. So do I. Okay, so let's look at it. Let's go to currency flow. Okay, it's on the right side of your dashboard, and if we go to on the left side, sorry, if we go to currency flow, you now see exactly what has happened. Do you know all of this happened only on the 27th? Yeah, which means if I sent a withdrawal on in November, I supposed to have been paid, but what was happening? Okay, anyway, but this is what happened on the 27th. So if you go to your cash flow, you look currency flow, you look at the 27th. That is where the magic took place. The magic took place. Now I've been upgraded to VIP 5. It's 540 now, my consumption limit. Yeah, this is my consumption limit. And now the next thing is I had 254 points inside my account. With the 254 points, ouch, it got deducted and I have a 0.0000. So now with movement from VIP 4 to VIP 5, cost me for this. It's a $46 charge. Okay, this is a $46 charge. And what we need to use as money to buy your place on the market, on the platform, they increase from the 1,080, they increased my consumption point, that they increased the money which I paid to buy. They increase the money I paid to buy to secure my place on the platform, and then they equally increase my trading capital. Wow, did I get that right? Yeah. So part of that 1,080 went to my position in the mall. Part of that money went to that, and the other money went to my trading capital. Yeah, so part of the money went to my registration, and part of it went to my trading capital. Normally on a VIP 4 account, we can only trade with 240, but now I'm trading with 540, meaning I have a plus 300. Wow, that's nice. So with all of this, CHYMO now give me a loan of $1,080. So if you take $1,080, hey man, what is 1,080? Let's look at this. This is my calculator. 1,080. I don't want to be cheated. 1,080 plus 46. Is that what you are talking about? Oh yeah. Now that is the reason why I have 126. So 1,080 plus 46 gives me on 1,126. So this is exactly what has happened. This is exactly what has happened. Okay, okay, okay. This is what has happened with the upgrade. Okay, so guys, you shouldn't be worried if you notice that if you notice this disparity in the amounts that CHYMO gave you this and you're supposed to pay this. Don't be worried. It's because you have the movement, the importer charges or something, which we just saw down there. Every account has different amounts you need to pay. And so it's not the same, you know. For me, I'm paying this much. You might not be paying this much. Maybe you were VIP 1 and you moved to VIP 2. Maybe we were VIP 2 and you moved to VIP 3. You know, this thing really worked so much for those who had VIP 1 accounts. I doubt if somebody really had VIP 1. What will you be doing with VIP 1? You just keep your money in CHY Mall for what? No, you should be trading, right? Great. So I'm sure everybody pretty was affected. Hey, guys, I told you this is an honest review. Myself, I have a few questions I would like to ask you. You watching me, yes, I mean you. You watching me. I have a question to ask you. Hey, we have to wait and watch out what is going to happen in the days ahead because it's like the updates is not yet complete. Why do I mean the updates is not yet complete? If CHYMO has given me that much amount, if CSYMO has given me that much amount, yes, which is equivalent now to a VIP 5 account. Hey, where is my 254? Where did it go? Because where did it go to? I'm still expecting my CHYMO points to come. Where did these ones go to? Yeah, because if at all they gave me this loan, then they should have deducted this amount from this loan then and write down the balance. Don't you think so? Wait. Don't you think so? Yeah, so I'm a little bit confused of what is happening on CHY, and I want you all guys to bear with me. I'm super confused right now because I don't understand what is happening. Okay, you took 254 from me, and now you gave me all of this, and you say that I have paid you zero. You know, if I've paid zero, then I mean you're owing me 254. Guys, let's wait. Maybe there are things that are going to happen in the back office in the days ahead. We shouldn't make conclusions right now, but I want you to know these things for sure. I want you to know this. It's going to be like this. We're going to have this upgrade and will continue being in debt with CHY Mall. So we are not expected to reap any profits home so far for now. Because each time you make profits, CHY Mall will take 50% of it and pay this loan. So you enjoy 50% of that. It's good. It's quite good, it's quite interesting, but it's still not really the best. It's upgrade compulsory. I'm asking you. Are you asking me too? Oh yeah. We're both asking ourselves. This wouldn't have been so compulsory. Yeah, but do you know this? It really worked for those who took loans. You know, some people took so much money, took loans from banks to go to CHY Mall. Yeah, but now with your loan, you've not paid your loan yet, and CHYMO is giving you another loan. Now you are in double loan. CHYMO, please, what are you doing? Why are you doing this to us? Why can't you understand what we're going through? I was very okay with VIP 4. Now you moved me to VIP 5. I'm not used to too much money. Not about too much money. I'm not used to debt. You just gave me a debt of $1,080. And how long am I going to pay $1,080? One trade, I don't know how much is it. I used to get my 40 in VIP. Oh, one trade should be about 80. Now I'll get 80, you take 40 away and give me 40. Oh, it still keeps me at a VIP 4 level. Okay, I still get a VIP 4 level profit. Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah, it's not bad. Thank you so much, CHYMO. Now I begin to understand you gradually. Hey guys, this is quite good. So what we want CHYMO to work on, we want CHYMO to work on the withdrawals, the speed, because every business deals with the speed of withdrawal. The speed of withdrawal should be very, very fast. Once we have that done, then things are going to be very well for us. Hey, do you guys know VIP 7 now is in it's out? Yeah, they're doing VIP 7 now. VIP 7 is out there, and it's people are already buying that. So let's keep our fingers crossed and wait on what is going to happen with the points that were taken away. Yes, because the points that were taken away have not been included here. If those points were here, this amount wouldn't have been 1080, right? Yeah, I mean, this one would have reduced. So if I told the 54 points they took away from me was included in all of this, then this amount would have been so. Except they are waiting to pay back the money to me. Wait. Oh, wait. Now I see. I was supposed to upgrade for $300. Oh, yes. Oh, let's go back. Okay, let's go to my account. Oh, sorry, this is not my account. Let's go back to currency flow. Oh, yes, yes. Oh, now I understand. Sorry, guys. Yes, I understand what is happening. Normally, if you add 46 to 54, let's clear this off. 46 plus 54. It's 100. 46 plus 54 is 100. So it's supposed to be 300. Hey, yes, normally I was supposed to pay 300 as upgrade. 300. $300 to upgrade from VIP 4 to VIP 5, because you know every VIP level is the double. The next is the double. The next VIP level is the double of the previous. If you're in VIP 1 and you paid say $100 to register, VIP 2 now is $200, which is two of VIP 1s, and VIP 3 is not $300 but it's $400, which is two of VIP 2. And VIP 3, VIP 4 will not be $500, but since VIP 3 is $400, VIP 5 now is going to be $800, which is a double. Exactly. So VIP 3 was $300. So now moving to VIP 4, wow, I now see why they deducted. Oh, this is exactly $300. Hey guys, don't expect any money from CHY Mall. Just the way the trades are, start trading. Okay, so that is what we have from CHY Mall now that has come into play. And at this moment, I am very uncertain if we can start trading, but let's try to give it a try. Okay, let's try to do trading. I always like to do auto trade. The reason why I like to do auto trade because I don't have the time to go to my computer. Let's do this. Let's take an auto trade and see what happens. Yeah, so now we are VIP 5. Yeah, and this is the VIP 5 product. Wow. Oh, these guys are having the real fun. So oh, VIP 7, can you see that? VIP 7 is next door. This is VIP 5. Let's get that. I'm on VIP 5 now. Getting the quantum auto trading VIP exclusive quantum watch. Wow. Auto trading VIP 5 exquisite quantum mechanical watch. Yeah, yeah. This is it. This is VIP 5 auto trading. Buy now. Whoa, picture. Wow, this is good. This is good. Man, this is really, really good. Oh, unfortunately, we could not do that. We couldn't buy. We couldn't start trading right now. But then, I had to go back to my others. I went into my others because I had an open trade. I went into my others and then I found out because I found out that oh, I still have one of my trades waiting for 7 days, 1 hour for the 1 minute. And once the trade will be true, I sure will do another video with us so we can see how auto trade goes and enjoy the new VIP 5. VIP 5 full of debts, but it's okay. So guys, in all, this is exactly what I had for you, and I thought that with the updates and everybody's ranting, it's important that we get to see. We don't know, maybe good things are coming ahead, maybe um it's going to another point of nobody knows. But then the only problem I have with CHYMO right now is I don't understand why CHY Mall would take away its private policy. I mean, the terms of trade, a site like this and a kind of a very big company like this, as it claims, we have no privacy policy, nothing. So it really gives me a lot of fear. It gives me a lot